Many Australian homeowners are choosing dual living home designs to help manage the cost of living and to provide multi-generational housing options for their family. A dual living design with Montgomery Homes features a fully contained main dwelling with a private integrated granny flat. Both include a kitchen and dining area, private bathroom and laundry, and separate outdoor entertaining options. Homeowners can take advantage of additional rental income by securing tenants for the private integrated granny flat. Dual living designs can significantly increase the value of your property, making it a smart investment for the future. Dual living makes multi-generational life easier, offering connection, care, and independence under one roof. Montgomery Homes are your local dual living specialists. We bring over 35 years of experience, local knowledge, and personalized support. Visit montgomeryhomes.com.au and start your dual living journey today.